Michael Jackson wrongful death trial. The defense making its closing arguments, pointing the finger at the king of pop himself, saying his own bad choices, not concert promoters, AEG live, led to his death. ABC's David Wright has more.
Good morning, everybody.
More than $1 billion of his client's money hang on his argument.
You've been asked to decide if AEG Live killed Michael Jackson.
But if the lawyer defending concert promoter AEG against a wrongful death lawsuit felt the pressure, he didn't let on.
AEG Live never would have agreed to finance this tour if it knew Mr. Jackson was playing Russian roulette every night in his bedroom.
Attorney Marvin Putnam insisted that AEG never hired Dr. Conrad Murra, who administered that fatal dose of the anesthetic propofol, that Murra was Jackson's private doctor for years.
AEG Live didn't choose him. On the contrary, they tried to talk Mr. Jackson out of it.
As for that incriminating email sent days before the pop star's death, in which AEG executive Paul Gongaware said he wanted to remind Murra it's AEG, not MJ, paying his salary.
Mr. Gongaware wanted nothing other than to help Mr. Jackson any way he could.
Putnam insisted that Jackson's demand for $1.5 billion in damages is outrageous.
Mr. Jackson was on the verge of bankruptcy. By the time he died, he was spending $20 million more per year than he earned. When he passed in 2009, he was well over $400 million in debt.
He said a more realistic sum, reflecting the pop star's lost future earnings, would be $21 million or so.
It's a lot of money, by any standards. More money than most people will ever see in their lives. But that's nowhere close to $1.5 billion.
Today, the Jacksons' lawyer gets one more chance for rebuttal before the case finally goes to the jury. For Good Morning America, David Wright, ABC News, Los Angeles.